M23 rebels in the Democratic Republic of Congo have declared a unilateral ceasefire for humanitarian reasons. That's as G7 nations demanded the Rwanda-backed militia halt an offensive that has shaken the eastern part of the country. The UN says at least 900 people were killed in Goma during the assault. Let's get more from Bloomberg's Ondiro Oganga, who is joining us in Kigali. So, Ondiro, what can we expect following this ceasefire announcement? And the big question is it actually expected to hold this time around?
Hi, Jen. So what we can expect is M23 is expected to cease its offense on the southern part of Kivu. And they said in a statement that they have no intention of capturing Bukavu. Instead, they're going to protect their position and they're going to protect civilians. They're also calling for the withdrawal of some DRC, saying that their mandate is no longer justified. And this ceasefire comes at a critical time because the humanitarian situation in Goma is worsening. A city of 2 million people in dire need of water, food, fuel, and medical supplies. And the UN fears that there's heightened risk of disease outbreaks such as cholera, mpox, and measles. And in the intro, you mentioned 900 dead. These are people that were killed in the streets without factoring in the bodies that are lying in the morgues. 2,800 have been injured, and hospitals have been overrun. So the ceasefire lays really good groundwork for the summit that is to be held in Tanzania between heads of state from EAC and SADC. And DRC's President Felix Tshisekedi has confirmed that he'll be attending, unlike last time where he was a no-show, and promised to fight back, much to the frustration of his Rwandan counterpart, who's always maintained that Rwanda is not supporting M23 rebels. But when CNN tasked him to explain if there are Rwandan troops in DRC, he said he didn't know. He opted to shift blame and say the people that are stealing minerals in DRC are South Africa. And this assertion is expected to cause tension after we saw a diplomatic spat between the two African countries in the previous meeting.